Hello and welcome. Today we're going to show you how to configure Apple Pay using your Truevo portal. Firstly, you will need to log in to your Truevo portal and open up docs.truevo.com. From here, find your integration method and select it. We'll use WooCommerce for this example. Navigate to accept Apple Pay. Next, go back to your Truevo portal and click on the developer option in the menu. You'll now see an inactive payment configuration called Apple Pay. Click Activate. Before going any further, download the domain file. This needs to be uploaded to your domain's well-known path by someone who has access. Once it has been uploaded, come back to this page. Now you're going to add a display name. This is what your customer will see on the Apple Pay interface when making a payment. Next, enter your domain name. This should not include HTTP or HTTPS in front of it. If you want, you can add multiple domain names at once. Click Save. Apple will run a check on your domain to ensure the file has been uploaded and that you are in line with their policies. Next, you'll see that Apple Pay has been activated and is ready for you and your customers to use.